Hey everybody, Coach Shane here, E-cube number 1260. Such a great expression. Please like the video, follow the channel, share it with your friends. I really appreciate it. Today's expression is, get my hands on something. To get my hands on something. This is a really useful expression, and we can use it in many different situations, but the meaning is basically the same thing. I'll explain it after you check out the dialogue. Here you go.
Did you see Wally's new truck? Wow!
I know, and he never drives. It's just a toy.
I wish I could get my hands on one of those.
Me too. It costs more than $100,000. To get my hands on. Did you hear it? Yeah. In this case, it simply means buy. B-U-Y. Acquire. To acquire something. To buy something. To be given something. To receive something. To be gifted something. That's all the idea. To get my hands on something, to possess something, to have something. Oh, I wish I could get my hands on a nice cold beer right now. I could if I went to the refrigerator, but I won't. This is a great expression, and we use it for things, okay? Trucks, beer. I wish I could get my hands on a nice vacation. I wish I could get my hands on a nice job. Not really. Can you just say hand? I wish I could get my hand on. No, we say hands. So here's the dialogue. I'll make it big for you. So we start off, did you see Wally's, this is a guy's name, did you see Wally's new truck? Wow. So I have a student, he lives in Hong Kong, his name is Wally. Wally has a new Cybertruck. He doesn't, maybe he doesn't. Anyway, if he did, a new Cybertruck, or maybe a new Ford Raptor, Ford F-150 Raptor, do you know, oh, it's beautiful, beautiful trucks. Anyway, this is the idea. Did you see Wally's new truck? Wow. I know. And he never drives. He lives in the city. He hardly ever drives. He doesn't need a car. He doesn't need a truck. It's just a toy. It's simply a toy. It's for fun. Oh my God. He must be rich. I wish I could get my hands on one of those Cybertrucks, one of those Ford F-150 Raptors. Oh, that'd be so cool. I wish. It's not gonna happen. I wish somehow, please, Lord, I wish. Can I win the lottery? I wish I could get my hands on one of those really cool trucks. Me too. It costs, the price costs more than $100,000. $100,000 means 100,000, which means $100,000. Wow, that's a lot of money. What is something that you would like to get your hands on right now? Can you think of something that you would love to get your hands on? Maybe it's a meal, like a steak dinner, or maybe it's a truck, like a Cybertruck. What is it? Leave a comment down below. I would really love to see your comments. I try to react to everything, especially on YouTube. If you're leaving your comments, I will see them. And yeah, we're gonna check out the dialogue 2 more times. Go to my website, study English with me, all right? www.letsmasterenglish.com. You can sign up. I'm gonna give you a free lesson. Oh, and by the way, what is this? It is July 30th of 2025. So in August, this next month, we have like 2 or 3 special offers happening. There's a speaking course, there's 2 speaking courses, and 3 speaking courses, and the listening course at a huge discount. So it'll be in our newsletter, so check that out. If I remember, I'll talk about it here too. Really excellent stuff. Join thousands of students, okay? We have so much fun, and we got a community, everything, it's amazing. But anyway, get your hands on my lessons. Oh, we can say that. Get your hands on my lessons, okay? Even though they're cyber lessons. You can print them out. Get your hands on my lessons. Great expression. We're going to listen to the dialogue 2 more times. Before that, repeat after me once. Here we go. Did you see Wally's new truck? Wow! I know. And he never drives. It's just a toy. I wish I could get my hands on one of those. Me too. It costs more than $100,000. Check out the dialogue 2 more times, and together, let's master English.
Did you see Wally's new truck? Wow!
I know, and he never drives. It's just a toy.
I wish I could get my hands on one of those.
Me too. It costs more than $100,000.
Did you see Wally's new truck? Wow!
I know, and he never drives. It's just a toy.
I wish I could get my hands on one of those.
Me too. It costs more than $100,000.